Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting exponential equation 3 to the power x times 9 to the power x is equal to 90. Or left side, this 3 to the power x times this 9, we can write 9 as 3 square and whole to the power of this x is equal to right side, this is 90. Or this 3 to the power x times applying exponential formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So applying this formula, we can write 3 to the power of this 2 times x, which is twice x, is equal to right side, this is 90. Or applying formula a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So applying this formula, we can write 3 to the power of this x plus this twice x is equal to this 90. Or this left side, 3 to the power x plus twice x, this is thrice x, is equal to right side is 90. Now taking log to the both side, we can write log of this 3 to the power 3x is equal to right side, this will be log of 90. Or applying logarithm formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So applying this, we can write this 3x times this log of 3 is equal to this log of this 90. We can write it as 9 times 10. So 9 is 3 square. This is 9 times 10. 10 can be written as 2 times 5. So the prime factor of 90 is 3 square times 2 times 5. Or left side, 3x of this log of 3 is equal to applying formula log a times b times c is equal to log of a plus log of b plus log of c. So applying this formula, we will get log of this 3 square plus log of this 2, log of 2 plus log of 5, log of 5. Or left side is 3x times log of 3 is equal to, now log of a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So applying this, we can write this 2 times log of 3 plus next term is log of 2. Log of 2 plus at last log of 5. Now divided both side by 3 times log of 3 to get the value of x. So we can write this 3x log of 3 divided by this 3 log of 3. 3 log of 3 is equal to this 2 log of 3 divided by this 3 times log of 3 plus this log of 2 divided by this 3 times log of 3 plus this log of 5 divided by this 3 times log of 3 times log of 3, or this 3 and this 3 will cancel out, and this log of 3 and log of 3 will cancel out, and it will be x. So x is equal to, from right side, this log of 3 and log of 3 will cancel, and it will be 2 over 3. 2 over 3 plus this 3, this will be 1 over 3. 1 over 3 times this log of 2 divided by log of 3. So divided by log of 3 plus similarly this 3. This is 1 over 3 times this log of 5 over this log of 3. So the value of x, this will be 2 over 3 plus this 1 over 3. Now applying formula, log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of b base of a. So applying this, we will get log of this 3 base of this 2 plus similarly this 1 over 3, and applying similar formula here, log of 5 divided by log of 3, we can write it as log of this 3 base of this 5. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.